Welcome back, friends. We'll continue the enrollment process to the Swayam NPTEL online certification. So we have chosen a subject called Advanced Thermodynamics, where we can able to see on the top announcement about the course, ask a question, progress and mentor. The announcements regarding the course updates, assignments, all the assignment data will be available in the announcements. About the course, what are the subject title, what are the content will be listed. Ask a question is like a forum. You can ask any questions out of the video, the PDF, the PPTs. You can raise the question in the forum. The progress, where your number of assignments submitted, what is the assignment mark, everything will be presented. On the last tab, mentor, you can choose a mentor of your choice from your institute. For example, this particular paper may be taken by Professor X. You can choose Professor X as your mentor so that your progress will be given to Professor Mentor's login so that he can help you in submitting your assignments. He can help you to complete your assignment in time. He will monitor your progress. By that way, the mentor will also get certificate if you get good grades, or if the mentees under him gets good grades, he will get a certificate, appreciation certificate. If you come to the left side, the course outline, there is a question mark. How does an NPTEL online course works? Where information about the course and accessing the content is given, announcement will be given, discussion forum is given, know your score in the assignment is given, what you should know about the final certification examination is given, certificate criteria is given, then assignment questions will be given as in the form of MCQ and MSQ assignments. So once you click that MCQ and MSQ assignments, a list of questions will be displayed. On the bottom, every week's video will be displayed. Video 1, video 2, video 3, video 4 will be displayed. You need to listen that video carefully. From that video only, the assignment questions will be asked. If you answer it properly, you will get full mark so that your internal of 25 will be intact. Right. This one we have already seen the criteria to get a certificate. Minimum pass percentage is 40. 40 is not the only one. You need to get 10 at least out of 25 in the assignment and 30 at least out of 75 from the end semester examination. These certificates, whatever NPTEL is providing you, is e-verifiable. This will be there in the repository. Anybody, he or she knows your register number, can verify your score, so that will give you an edge when you are attending an interview. If, for example, if an interviewer wants to know whether you really achieved a certain score in the NPTEL examination, they have a chance to verify your marks. Till now, hard copy certificate has been dispatched to the examiners. Now, the hard copies are not dispatched, only the soft copy will be made available. Another thing, common things you're supposed to know, every college is a local chapter. Ours is also a local chapter. Our local chapter number is 2456. I am the SPOC in the sense single point of contact. If you have any queries, you can contact me. In turn, I can contact NPTEL so that they will clarify your doubts. They will rectify your problems. That will be done through me. So that is why my position is called a single point of contact. There will be a tentative SPOC timeline that will show when the exam course starts, when the course ends, when is the last date to pay examination fee, when is the last date to register for the exams. Everything will be intimated to me, as well as everything will be intimated to you through your mail ID. Right. I already told you, you will select a mentor. What do you mean by mentor? As a guide who is the subject handling staff. The same subject you are doing, at NPTEL. If you have any queries, you can clarify your doubts to your mentor. So I already told you, when guiding you, the mentors also will get some certificate. For that, they need to earn 10 points or above. How the 10 points can be made available? If you pass the subject, 1 mark will be assigned to your mentor. If you pass with a mark of 60 to 74, 5 marks will be made available to your mentor. If you pass with 75 to 89, 8 marks will be available. If you pass 90 plus, 20 marks will be made available to your mentor, so that by any chance he will get a mentorship certificate. This will be very much helpful for your mentor in getting promotions, or that will helpful for his career. Right. This course is not only very much useful for students like you. These courses are very much useful for the faculty members. For promotions, every faculty member has to undergo certain criteria. That is faculty development program. 2 weeks faculty development program of AICTE has to be carried out. That can be equated with doing some courses from NPTEL. So this will help the faculties to earn some summer or winter courses equivalents. There are a number of industry associated with this NPTEL. Like there are 40 MOUs, memorandum of understandings have been signed with public and private industries, so that there is a chance that that company may recruit you if they satisfied your performance in the examination, NPTEL examination. They may take you. There are a number of cases we have already witnessed, not in our college, in some other college. Even Mahindra and Mahindra manufacturing plant in Nagpur also coordinated with NPTEL. There are a number of other companies are coordinated with NPTEL. There is another aspect of examination fee reduction. Here, every company needs to pay a corporate social responsibility fund of about 1 to 2% of their profit to any societal activities. These many years, there was some fee waiver out of 1,000 rupees. If the SPOC recommends for fee waiver of 250 rupees, the NPTEL will waive the 250 rupees for the student. That recommendation is based on the merit cum and mean basis. If you are from very poor background and you are a merit student, the SPOC like me can recommend you for the fees reduction. That fees will be compensated by the companies like Capgemini or Tata Technologies. They are giving as a CSR support. Then quite recently, NPTEL has come up with NPTEL domain certification. Whatever we discussed so far is a single paper certification. Now it's a domain certification. What is domain certification? Here it's like a mini degree. They will offer you a mini degree, or it's a kind of minor degree. What is minor degree? There are a number of courses they have clubbed together. If you qualify those courses, like 6 or 7 courses with good grades, they will offer you a certificate that is equivalent to a diploma certificate or a minor certificate. How to earn the domain certificate? We'll see. Every domain will comprise core courses and elective courses. The learner has to complete and pass all the core courses listed. If you say, for example, you are a software engineer, you need to you want to do a software related course. They may listed some courses like data structure, C++, artificial intelligence. If you qualify these courses, they will offer you a domain certificate. The student can take electives from the list of choices available as specified as required for the domain and should pass these courses. The minimum course in each course must be of 55. And the average of all courses must be not less than 60. Every domain has also another parameter, that is number of weeks of learning that have to be completed. That is also another criteria. How many weeks you are learning, the sense how many week courses you have chosen, 12-week courses or 8-week courses or 4-week courses. Based on the number of weeks courses, your domain certification will be made available to you. A candidate is supposed to have completed a domain when the number of core or elective courses defined have been done. For every domain, there may be some list of courses, 6 courses or 7 courses based on the requirement. That 6 or 7 courses you're supposed to complete, then only you will be given as domain certification. It is recommended that the domain be completed within a period of 3 years. You cannot elaborate 3, 4 years or 5 years to complete 6 or 7 courses. You should complete all the 6 courses or 7 courses within the period of 3 years from the first course registration. What are the different domain certifications are available? In aerospace engineering, flight mechanics is one domain certification. Civil engineering, construction materials technology is one domain certification. Structural design and environment is another domain certification. Electrical engineering, VLSI is a design VLSI design is a domain certification. There may be some electives and core paper that candidate has to carry out that elective and core papers to get VLSI design domain certification. Then management, marketing, operation are the domain certification. In mechanical engineering, propulsion, advanced mechanics, manufacturing processes and technology. These are different domains. Under each domain, there may be number of papers needs to be completed. What is the advantage of domain certifications, sir? Yes, there are specific company, they may look after some domain specific talents. For example, a software company, they may look for a good grade from artificial intelligence, data science and programming, C++, cloud computing. It is in addition to your regular curriculum subjects, you are completing these papers, so that this will be an added advantage. This is a value addition to your degree. So during the interview process, this will give an edge over others, so that you may get selected for the company very easily. So this domain certification will really help you. So I request and recommend you guys to choose any one domain of your interest and carry out some 6 or 7 papers, both core and elective papers, and get certified from the NPTEL, that is IIT certificates, before you complete your degree. What is the importance of domain certification? Completing a domain helps to gain expertise in a specific area. This can be helpful for learners who wish to work in a particular area. For example, VLSI or power electronics. Completing this specified 5 or 6 courses would indicate to recruiters about how motivated and how independent learner you are become a domain scholar. Learners preparing for competitive exams such as GATE. When you are preparing for GATE examination, these papers will definitely help you to crack your GATE examination. GATE is one such examination. If you clear that GATE examination, that is the pass, that is a visa to get into a public sector company or to do your masters in a IITs or IIScs. What is GATE? It's a graduate aptitude test for engineers, like your JEE or NEET. GATE is a engineers examination. Yes, these are the websites. If you visit this website, nptel.ac.in, local chapter, quick links will be available where our college specific details will be available. For every semester, they will give a timeline, they will give exam city link, they will give NPTEL courses mapped to AST curriculum. That is very much useful. For the credit transfer, the NPTEL courses mapped to AST curriculum is very much useful, so that you can opt out 1 or 2 courses from your regular curriculum, that is from your college. You can audit or credit these courses from NPTEL. That can be later transferred the credit into your academic marks, so that will help you to learn additional thing from very good professors from IITs or NITs. These are the sample certificates. This is the felicitation function at IITM. On the right side, guy is Rahmatullah, myself. I've been awarded with best performer for my performance at GCE Bargur. This is a certificate. This is the certificate at appreciation certificate at GCE Bargur. This is the certificate for GCE Bargur. the top 50